The ingredients to make fruit salad are
apple, dragon fruit, papaya,
melon, watermelon, and cherry.
and then mayonnaise, cheese, and sweetened condensed milk. The tools to make fruit salad are bowl, knife, and cutting board. And now let's make fruit salad. First of all, cut all the fruit and jelly into small pieces and then put in the bowl. Put mayonnaise and sweetened condensed milk in the bowl.
Mix all the ingredients together.
Put grated cheese as the topping.